gonna go over with you what we need for the touch-up job to paint to fix the helmet. I'm gonna use the paint I used. I still have plenty of it, which is Toyota 202 black with clear coat in it, so it gives you the glossy finish. We have to use thinner and a catalyst, and we're going to mix it 4:1 ratio. And a measuring cup is really helpful. You don't want to, don't want to eyeball it. You want it. It has to be in the right ratios. Otherwise, something bad happens. We're going to use a touch-up spray paint gun, HVLP, high volume, low pressure. So I'm hoping for a less spray in the air with the old gun. This one here, which is just a regular one, within seconds it was a cloud of harmful vapors. So I tried this one, and it looks like it gives a little bit more, gives more paint and less air with it. And I don't know maybe how it works, but it doesn't leave as much vapors in the air. Of course, you want to use a compressor. It works at 50 psi. We're probably going to use a Siaski set and sandpaper, and then of course rubbing compound. So stay tuned for the next segment. I don't know when I'm gonna start it, but within a few days I will probably try to start repairing the helmet and give you some idea how we do it. Like I said, I had a chip in the helmet, which we're gonna have to take off because the paint got released from the helmet. So I'm gonna have to sand it down before I paint it. Stay tuned.